Hey man, it's the kid Young B, the next nigga to blow from down south. And you know, a nigga just chilling right now, we in the booth. Shouts out to my nigga Sam, Rainy Day Entertainment. You know, we doing things, man. Y'all be catching nigga at the parade on that 19. A nigga just, you know, consistent. Y'all around for that mixtape, consistent music. Dumb money what they do, nigga. You already know. My nigga Nate, shouts out to my nigga Nate, man. Man, shouts out to Satellite, shouts out to MOT, that's my clique, that green flag, we doing things.
What you got on, nigga?
Hey, I ain't much gonna lie, this that Louis, man. I'm talking about Louis V, you know what I'm saying?
What is?
I'm talking about this shit real, you feel me?
That shit backwards, B.
Hey, man.
Go flip that shit on the other side, bitch. That bit reversible,
hey,
B.
I ain't gonna lie, it's reversible, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see the Paris sign. I'm gonna make sure y'all get that. You know what I'm saying? Louis V. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know a nigga get fresh, stay fresh, get money, fuck hoe. You know that break your back. Man, but y'all just lay around for a nigga mixtape. Consistent music drop on Valentine's Day, February 14th. You know, and the nigga just trying to be out here and be consistent. Shouts out to all my fans. I love y'all straight up. And the B stand for bankroll, man. And I ain't playing. You know, go ahead and ask me some questions, bro. Ask me some questions, man.
I'm saying, why you chose Valentine's Day, bruh?
I chose Valentine's Day because, you know, that's the day for the babies, you know what I'm saying? That's the day really for the babies, so I want to bring it out for the babies. Southside, not Southside. Y'all leave out for that hit single, I'm going to make you scream my name. That's for y'all, man. That's for the babies. Y'all going to love that. You know what I'm saying? Southside to everybody out there doing their thing. Southside to BMB. You know, Fish Stick. Southside to my nigga T.Y. Boogaloo. Southside to everybody, man. And the nigga that trying to be out here and be consistent, you know, I'm going to keep that music coming. You know what I'm saying?
We
and none of that nigga
right
blow.
now.
We in the studio right now, you know, we just chilling though, man. Man, I'm the next nigga to blow, y'all looking at him, man. Straight up, like straight like that. I'm zoned out right now. We on this lit, you know, can't smoke on probation. But fuck all that. The B stand for bankroll. Shouts out to all the babies out there. I fuck with y'all cause y'all fuck with me.
The B stand for baby.
Hey, hey, the B stand for babies too, man, cause I fuck with the babies. Straight up, man. And I'm looking for it too, man.
Rainy Day 305, man.
Shouts out to that boy, Sam.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all lay around
subscribe,
for them,
man.
Go ahead. Y'all lay around for them Team Bankroll shirts. Y'all gonna see everybody with them. You know what I'm saying? That right there what it is, man. Hey,
MOT.
Green flag.
Where they can find you at?
I ain't gonna
Twitter?
lie.
Facebook?
Y'all go hit me up on Twitter at MOT Bankroll. Y'all can fuck me with y'all already fuck with me on Facebook, Young B Bankroll. And just fuck with me on my email, man, and you know, if you ready to, man, just fuck
Lay
with
around
me.
for that Young B on that pill.
Lay around, straight up. Lay around for I'm the next nigga to blow. I be trying to tell him, man. And I get fresh, man. And this ain't no flaws in type shit. A lot of people say I be arguing, and this, hey.
Turn it the other way, bro.
And this shit for real, man. You know what I'm saying?
We do's that.
I'm finna change my swag up.
Foreign?
Everything foreign, man.
Oh, that's going. We gonna do a mixtape. Everything foreign.
Everything foreign. That's what it is, man. Hey, and like I say, shouts out to everybody out there doing their thing. I fuck with y'all, cause y'all fuck with me. I'm the next nigga to blow though, man. No lie, man. Say no more, man. Young B, next nigga to fucking blow. We do things, man. Yeah. Fucking do things.